My name is Muriuki Kifoi Moridi. I'm the County Project Coordinator in Laikipia of the Kenya Climate Smart Agriculture Project, KSAP. KSAP is a project in Kenya covering 24 counties, and Laikipia is one of them. The overall objective of the project is to increase agricultural productivity and build resilience of farmers, and also reduce the greenhouse gases. KSAP is using technologies, innovations and management practices to upscale the productivity of the small-scale farmers and also help them to build their resilience to these climate changes. In Laikipia, the project activities are in 6 wards, that is Tegethi, Gobit. Focus of the project is in five value chains, that is dairy cattle, beans, sorghum, indigenous chicken, and sheep. This is achieved through both public extension and also contracted extension services. In the contracted extension services, we have a company called On-Call Limited providing the services for dairy cattle, okra for sheep, and Reda Limited for indigenous chicken. The approach that we are using is the group approach, whereby 20 to 30 farmers come together, forming what we call a common interest group. And if they are vulnerable, you have the VMG groups, which are basically for the disabled, for child-headed households, and widows. In these value chains, in these CIGs, it is where now we use the technologies, like in sheep we are using the Dopa breed to improve the local breed, to increase the maturity weight and also growth rate. In chicken, indigenous chicken, we are using the Caro improved chicken, which increases the productivity of eggs from 50 eggs per year to about 200 eggs per bird per year. And beans, we are using improved varieties, mostly from Caro, and also improved varieties from Egerton University. In sorghum, we are using also improved varieties, mostly from Caro, and also having the right variety in the correct zone. 110 groups have been funded. The lambs have been supplied to the groups, and indigenous chicken, a total of over 20,000 birds have been supplied to the groups. There's another window of funding, which is the SAP projects. These are bigger projects that have many beneficiaries. This far we have Matwiku Earth Dam, we have Matagi, which is ongoing, and Adimi, which is ongoing. The Reshwa Pan has been completed, and we also have the Rodian Agroforestry Integrated Project, whereby a solar fence is under construction to prevent wildlife from destroying the crops in Lorian village. area of public extension, an officer gets about 30 farmers and they begin a field school together. And the school runs for a season, 1 year, whereby they look at all the aspects of production of the particular product, from input to marketing and value